if you were the last person on Earth, like everybody disappeared, everybody's dead. What would your day look like? What would your days look like? What would you do?
That's interesting because if I was able to figure out the, electricity,
Right.
I think my days would be like, God, why didn't you learn about electricity?
Oh yeah.
Right?
You realize how little you know.
Yeah. Why didn't you learn about these things? Because now you're going to die. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
But I think the first thing obviously is, no, let me ask you something. Why? Now, if you're saying that I'm the last person on planet Earth because there was an alien invasion and there's predators and things that I have to fucking look out for, that's one way. Yeah. But if I'm just all of a sudden I wake up and just everyone's gone, and there's
everyone's dead.
Everyone's dead.
But there's no threat.
There's no threat. Then what I would do is I go, well, let's find a place to live. Not probably my house, right? So I'd probably live in a place where that's closest to grocery stores, right? So I would get food and stuff first, right? And then secondly, it's like, I'll probably go, you know what I thought about? What? I would probably go to San Marcos, San Diego Vista, because that's where the real doll factory is.
And just fuck all of them?
No. I would have to grab like 6 of them because I'm going to get lonely.
6 of them for a variety. You wouldn't be monogamous with one doll?
No, and I also would carry out like the vagina parts, right? You know what I mean? Yeah. And all the accessories and stuff, right? Yeah. And then go back to LA probably. Oh man, why would I stay down there?
Yeah, you could stay in the factory.
No, yeah, maybe it's that factory. And then but I think thirdly, I would run out of electricity, right? And I think, my demise would come slowly.
Well, you could find sources of electricity because nobody's using it.
So but I don't know how to turn the machines on. Like I don't know how to go to the fucking
yeah.
What do you call it? The place where I don't even know what it's called. The place where where it all
the energy's generated.
Yeah, the generators. Like where do I go?